Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just Shar. So today is a special day. This is my birthday. So right now I'm in the car and I'm headed to Chicago. Yes, I'm headed to Chicago, guys, for the weekend. 1 day, 2 day trip. And then I'm gonna head over to Detroit because my family has something planned for me as well. So I'm just gonna take you guys along this journey. Yeah, so I'll be editing, putting clips in between here and there so you guys can see what I'm doing and how the trip is going. Wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay turns into gunplay, gunplay turns into pillow talk, pillow talk turns into sweet dreams, sweet dreams turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the black Dickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the dull and no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay. So guys, I made it to the hotel room. I guess I'll show you guys what the room looks like. Okay guys, so this is the room. It's very small, but it's really cute for like 1 or 2 people. There's the mirror, there's me. And the mirror in here is so cool. Like it has time on here. It's a digital mirror. I don't think you can do anything else, but yeah. And then it has a slide-in bathroom, like the door. And there's a walk-in shower. It's pretty sweet. And then here's their bed. A real small king-size bed. I don't know. View, let's see. Yeah, not a good view, but you can see the freeway from here. Yeah. So yeah, that's the room. I don't know what it is. Is it glasses or it's like I'm looking at the camera or I'm looking at the, I don't know, it's weird, but yeah, that's the room. So we're gonna head out and get lunch. Yeah, we're gonna head out and get lunch and we're gonna go downtown and do some sightseeing. So I'll get back with you guys later. Peace. Wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay turns into gunplay, gunplay turns into pillow talk turns into sweet dreams, sweet dreams turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the black Dickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the dull and no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments. Yeah, guys, I made it. I'm at the Navy Pier. And y'all, so many people here. And it's so nice. You guys can see the view. So perfect. See everything in here. Chicago is so nice. If you're in Chicago, come to the Navy Pier.
Bad neck, bad heart, bad back, osteoporosis. I think I said that right. A bad attitude or bad breath. This is not the ride for you.
souls that found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism. Peace color skies, reveal a sunrise. Two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Let's drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be alone, baby. These moments should be moments.
So right there with the wall,
Speedboat tour.
Tower Hancock, you guys know what building that is?
Make sure you come.
The John Hancock building. John Hancock is only 100 stories tall.
These moments and vibrant. You wordplay turns into gunplay, gunplay turns into pillow talk turns into sweet dreams turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, crash humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the black Dickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be on love. These moments and vibrant. You wordplay turns into gunplay.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I couldn't record as much as I wanted to because I couldn't find parking, and what was the other reason? Couldn't find parking, and like the traffic was just bad. Traffic was bad. Too bad we only got one day here. But it was pretty decent. We did go to the speedboat. That was fun. So right now we're at the restaurant inside the hotel because all the restaurants closed at around like 10 o'clock. So by the time we find something, probably would have all been closed. But yeah. I'm gonna go back to you guys when my food is here. Morning, guys. So we're at breakfast right now down at the hotel. I finished my food already. I had a skillet with eggs and potatoes, and I had some coffee and cranberry juice. But yeah, this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We didn't get to really do much because yeah, traffic was bad, timing was bad, everything was bad in Chicago. So, but if you're ever in Chicago, definitely go downtown, definitely go to the aquarium, definitely get on the speedboat tour. That was like, it's worth the money, and that was really fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick. Love you, peace.
Think to myself, what a wonderful world.